Tune in, reggae lovers. You're about to discover your new favourite artist. Kleva Roots is the real deal. Born into a musical family, his uncle is Owen Dreadie Reid from the Wailers. Yes, the Wailers. Surrounded by legends like Bob Marley and Dennis Brown, Kleva's sound is rich with authentic roots reggae vibes. His lyrics? Deeply spiritual, full of faith, love and universal consciousness. Kleva's been spreading these powerful messages through his music for years, mentoring young artists and collaborating globally with his label Kleva Roots Productions. Now we've got something special for you, an exclusive interview with Kleva Roots on Boss Radio's Reggae Hour. It's happening October 29th at 7 p.m. CST. You don't want to miss it. And that's not all. Our friends at Southside Beauty Care are offering the Sea Moss Whipped Body Butter, a natural powerhouse with 92 essential minerals. For a limited time, they've bundled it with the Sea Moss Gel, giving your skin double the care. So tune in to Boss Radio's Reggae Hour, catch Kleva Roots' inspiring journey, and grab that Sea Moss Body Butter and Gel combo. Treat your skin right, because just like good reggae, it deserves the best care. Remember, October 29th, 7 p.m. CST. Don't miss it. Stay rooted and keep the love flowing.
I have to love my sister, I feel love my brother. This kind of moment I truly treasure. It makes you wanna live forever. We taking it higher. By working hard and helping each other. We taking it higher. By working hard and helping each other. Love and unity the most important tool. You better walk with love. You can't take people for fool. Hey, see, life is important. Try to be good, not be ignorant. Pure and clean, so we make wisdom. So we works can be of significant. We taking it higher. By working hard and helping each other. We taking it higher. By working hard and helping each other. We are work for a cause and not applause. Guide my step and bless me, oh Lord. Your work shall be your evidence and your reward. We are live life simple, now live it too hard. Remember man, I live forever. I feel love my sister, I feel love my brother. This kind of moment I truly treasure. It makes you wanna live forever. It makes you wanna live forever. It makes you wanna live forever.
Already, welcome back everybody. It's your boy Mr. E, boss of the Southside Bosses here on Reggae Hour with BOSS Radio, baby. You already know how we get down, and we got a great, fantastic superstar in the building, Kleva Roots, joining us today. We're going to be getting to know him, getting to know his music, and reminding y'all what it's all about in reggae. You feel me? We've been chopping it up, and I'm telling you, I love his personality, so I know you're going to love it too. Let's go ahead and get into it. Kleva Roots, how are you doing, sir?
All is blessed, man. We're giving thanks. It's a beautiful day to be alive and to able to be at the show and talking to you and talking to the fans.
Oh, yes. We are so thankful to have you on. We've been getting to know each other, and I'm telling you, man, you have a vibrant personality. I love it. Every time I see you, you got a beautiful smile on your face, and that's what life is all about. I can see you've already figured it out, and listening to your music, I can hear you figured it out as well. So tell me, yes. You've been doing this for a while, right? You grew up in a musical family. You have a very famous uncle, Owen Dreadie Reid, who used to play with Bob Marley and Dennis Brown. What kind of influence did that have on your musical journey in reggae?
Well, honestly, it's like I always admire the love that Dreadie showed me as a little youth, and I am so glad and thankful that we are family. So I could see that I could oftentimes and the repeating of the love from my uncle, you know, and then I realized the legacy that Dreadie created as a musician, you know what I mean? And then we start to see, you know, and then for the love of the conscious vibes where Dreadie spread, and then I was kind of trapped in that environment, you know, where conscious music, Dennis Brown, Bob Marley, you know, Sizzla, Capleton, and all of them bridging there, you know, forwarding, and then I start to feel that connection there. So it's just the love of the music and, you know, the in-depth that we feel. So we always try to do the music. It doesn't matter how long, you know, people not hearing, but we still try get the craft together. So we're getting there.
Already, man. Hey, you've been working with this for a while. You started around 2 years old. I mean, come on now. What was it about reggae, specifically roots reggae, that gave you such peace and contentment as a child?
So you know, when the music start playing, even the smallest of baby is on the beat. Cause that's reggae. It's a real reggae music is a feelings, is a certain feeling. So I could feel the rhythm from a tender age where I was like, you know, bouncing to the beat, and you know, as a little youth, I was like, yo, the man dip on the rhythm, you know what I mean? So that's the first to feel it. And then as we grow and, you know, life experience, we start put words together, we start try to find my sound, you know. So over the years the thing come together. So we give thanks.
Already, man. So from the very first song you wrote, you knew your calling was in roots reggae. Can you tell us more about that moment and of realization and what inspired you to stay true to the genre rather than venturing into like the mainstream or like the bad boy music, dancehall, or anything else?
All right. So the thing about me and the music is I like when everybody can listen to my music. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't want my music to be played and you're like, no, I don't want my children or my child to be able to listen. I want everybody to hear it, because the thing about this music is what I feel, what I see, I sing about. Reggae music is my life. Reggae music is the only gateway for me to express myself by being creative, listening to the rhythm. You know, even if no rhythm is around, we're still making music because we are a natural rhythm. You know what I mean? So it's like we just want to stay positive and we try to.
Man, and you're right. It is always hope. And that's one thing a lot of people have lost sight of, especially with all these wars and everything else that's going on in the world right now. Why is it that you feel like it is very, very pertinent for reggae artists, especially reggae artists, to keep that message of positivity going, even with all this negativity going on in the world?
Yeah, because as an artist, you have to realize your calling. You couldn't be called everywhere, even though it's in us to do different kind of vibe. Because even though me a Kleva Roots and me sing roots music, me still sing dancehall music. So if I hear a dancehall rhythm that I like it, I will sing on it. And I will try to sing something that nice, not too, you know, expletive, or, you know, we don't even want to, because music can be nice without certain vibe. You know what I mean? It's just, you have to hold a med and this music, you know, in the mind, and then you manifest it on record. So
okay, I feel that, and that's a lot of artists in the world. It doesn't even matter what genre. Like, it seems like a lot of them actually have lost sight of that. And but you have actually been able to work with some fantastic international artists that has not had lost sight of all that. Excuse me. You've been working with these artists since 2010. Can you share some highlights from producing the Familiar Roots Rhythm album and how that collaboration has influenced your musical style?
Yeah, because it's like this. The music is a family, you know. The music, we connect, all of us connected together as artists. It doesn't matter where you're from in the world. So the way I love music, I always see other people, you know, joining along with me, you know, who willing to do it, you know, because we have struggled in every direction of being. So sometimes we as an artist, we don't even know which one of the song the world are going to accept or love. So me personally would love to know, say, I give a brethren that strength that him need even to produce a record with him. So me always try to say, yo, me I go put out a rhythm, you know what I mean? So me still I learn till today because the music industry is kind of very tricky and easy. You know, especially in Jamaica here, where people only see those who establish. They probably think the music stop. No, but it doesn't stop. There's a lot of great youth that need exposure in Jamaica. So that is why I try to produce like the familiar roots rhythm. You know, me and my brethren them ride on it. And like, you know, determine little E or PZ, you know, couple brethren where, you know, them thing I grow set speed and thing, you know, I include myself.
Yes, sir. Definitely. And that's exactly what I feel like we have gotten away from this, the message. It's that's like the further into the generations we go, the message gets a little bit more and more diluted. But roots is always going to be, it's concrete, it's solid, won't go anywhere anytime soon. So with that being said, and your faith-based, and your music is known for its faith-based message of oneness, love, and universal consciousness. Like, how do you balance that spirituality with the challenges of the music industry today?
Well, all my balance that, brother, is by knowing that there's a place for my music. So even if me not up on the mainstream, I always go try just know say me still there I do good music. So whenever time Kleva Roots name call and Kleva Roots time to do the thing, me know say me have a catalog of positive music and me always work on over the years. So we couldn't come this far and don't have something good that I've been working on over the years because we still no live the dream when we want to live it. So me still know say when that time come, when just say, yeah, Kleva Roots is time for you now. That is why I'm glad for the platform like yours to make people know say, yeah, you like me, they are set speed where would want the opportunity to come and, you know, perform my music and build my fan base and things like that. So with this expectation, brother, I just try to keep it real over the years. We just try to know something. I make good music. It no matter when, there's always music.
Yes, you're right about that. And with your music, because I know you mentor youth, right? How does your music translate to the youth that you mentor?
Yeah, well, even my youth, them, and my little family, them, me and them do a lot of little videos from time to time where they know the music. My kids, them always singing my music and stuff, and that is good music. So whenever they start to sing my music, you know, I know it wasn't anything bad. Me, I teach them. You know what I mean? So it's good. Only thing the music need now is the publicity. It's for the music to be on the radio. And, you know, the music videos, all the necessary, you know, works need to put in for the music to get there. I'm an independent artist. You know what I mean?
Right.
I don't really have anybody per se producing an album with Kleva Roots. I just try to vibe along with people. So I'm open to work with people who want to put my music where it truly belongs and the world to know me. And I can, you know, build that fan base and get a lot of work out there, you know, because now is the time. So that's the main focus.
Okay. All right. So reggae is often linked to social justice and cultural pride. How does your faith as a Rasta man influence the themes you chose to tackle in your music?
All right. So because I'm a family man, I have to work to take care of my family. So I cut my dreadlocks a few years ago, but I'm a Rasta man because it's from within out. See what I'm saying? So the power is in I and I. Saying so whatever the people say, it don't determine, you know, say Adessa, it's from within. So I and I know say that consciousness, I have to keep it from within, coming out. Saying so what me do, me just try to know say yeah, it no matter what me I do, me never try to lose myself. You know, me just try to stay focused because I know say a lot of distraction and a lot of different things. But me try my best to don't take on too much at one time. I try to balance everything so everything can, you know, come true. So we just try to do the right, bro. You know,
Right.
and let the natural mystic teaches you, because the earth is the universe is its teacher. You know what I mean?
Right. And with the Most High already being your master and you're staying independent, you don't have to worry about signing a contract that'll take away your authenticity. And you know what the Bible say about trying to follow or trying to serve two masters. You can't serve two masters. So do you think you staying independent is keeping your faith intact as well?
Well, it's not that I really want to stay independent, because as I said, being an artist is really the nice thing about music is to sing on different new rhythms, different feel, work with different people. So by the end of the day, you see what different vibes bring. So I wouldn't want to just sing for myself alone. I try to produce myself, but sometimes the struggles and the music is so hard. You can't sit down and watch everything passing by. You have to try. You know what I mean? So that is why I have my little production. But more, even these songs that I send you, it's other people produce them. I have a bredren called Recall, he's from Malawi. We'll work a lot of time, you know. He send me beat from time. We just make it into mixing, mastering, and his project production and things. So I'm still working with people. You know what I mean? And as I said, I'm open to work with anybody who understands me and what I really want to bring folk musically.
All right. Now you say you're looking to collaborate with many artists. What genres are you looking to specifically cross over and collaborate with artists in? Do you think you can see yourself doing any hip hop, rap, rock, or country?
Well, play and the R&B, you know, find it sound good to me, Rasta. You know what I mean? Just play some music, Rasta man.
All right.
I will listen. I will know how to forward and do the best, you know. Yeah, man.
That's the answer from a true artist right there.
Music, man. Yes, man. Definitely.
So tell me about your technique. You go into the studio, you hear the music. How do you what does the music guide your mind, or do you allow the mind to mold the music?
All right, so it go both ways, you know. It go both ways. Sometimes you make a song and it comes so easy, like the one that was just there. You know, you just take it up. And the next time you're making a song and you realize this song has such a message where you can't even rush it. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then you have a next time when from you hear the beat, the song just forward. So we make song in different. Sometimes we not listen to no rhythm or no beat, you know, you call it. And I mean, the song just come. And the next time you will just hear a rhythm and you say, yo, this is what me I hear. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's just magical. It's just magical. There, you know, it's just different ways, you know, different time, different vibe. Sometimes you're in a lot of noise. But while you're in that noise, there's a music coming. You know what I mean? But all you need to is just step out of the noise and just listen to it. And you can hear it. And then all I have to do is just repeat it. You know? Because it's just like I'm just a vessel. You know? Yes, brother.
That's real. I hear that. I can relate and I confirm. Already. So I'm pretty sure you've done shows or events or put on some kind of a performance of some kind, correct?
Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't done any shows still. You know, most of the time for a few years now, it's just work trying to build up a home for the family and making sure the youths them can, you know, relax themselves because, you know, they are the future. And I mean, if we don't set it for them can't get a start. So we've been doing work, you know, because as I said, otherwise I'm me doing the music. I do tours in Jamaica. You know, people can book. You know, and I can take.
Would you say that keeps you? Yeah,
I do tours.
Okay.
Tours and excursion, airport tours and excursion, different as a job.
And where do you do that at?
Yeah, I do it here. I have a website, Nice Time Jamaica Tours. Also, people can check it out. I'm on the social media platform, TikTok, Instagram, SendSpeed, all of them. But we try to, we don't sit and let things just pass us by. We try to fit in and try to help ourselves because it's the only way. You know what I mean? So otherwise, the music, that's what I've been doing over the years, trying to stay up, try to, able to build myself a home and, as I said, it's just a journey.
Right.
So I'm active on the stage per se, because the youth them have to live and things. Sometimes the money don't come out of the music if you're not that established artist. You know what I mean? So what I do now, I just try to do things on the side to keep myself surviving. But yeah, I'm ready for sure. It's been a while I haven't sing for the people, and if you look at my YouTube, sometimes was nice. The people was receiving the vibe. It's just that we need more. So we're hoping for the best, brother. We're hoping to sing for the world.
I hear you on that.
I could give you a little piece. I could give you some show, man. Tell me you need it, brother.
Definitely. Now, I actually want to ask you about your job. You say you actually set tours for tourists and stuff that come from out of the country, and they come to your beautiful country, and they get you put the whole shebang on them. You let them know all about your home country. Let them know history, the sightseeing, all of that. Correct?
All that, brother. I took them everywhere they want to go.
How does that interaction with the tourists, does that give you some kind of influence or something you could draw from whenever you do go write your music? You may go ahead.
Yeah. I've learned a lot since I've been busy doing it. What it does, it let you understand culture. Over the years, you meet different people from different parts of the world. You know what I mean? So at least now you see so you could know what to expect, what kind of vibe to expect. It's that everybody know that I'm an artist, because sometimes it's different vibe. People are in a different mood. So, you know what I mean? You have to try to understand the people, give the people what they want. If there are kind of some people know that you say, all right, these people are, you just introduce yourself to them and even make it more nice. You know what I mean? So I've done that a few times along that line of work. You know what I mean? But that's just one part of what I do, But the other part is Kleva Roots, the artist. That's the real thing I want to do. I want to use the music to travel the world and, do more to heal the people. You know what I mean? Because a lot of things going on in the world right now where I can't stop it, but I can only bring a certain awareness to people, let them know, say, things could be better or things could be worse. So in the meantime, we have to give thanks because we are here, and you know what I mean? It's all about giving thanks and try to be good, brother. You can't be bad, you can't, you know what I mean? It's two way about it. You have to be a good man, you know what I mean? You can't be a good and a bad man, even though we have mixed energy, but there has to be one, one that really work for you. You know what I mean? So we try to portray the positive vibe. We just show people love whenever we see them. It doesn't matter. We share with anybody. Once we have money, people beg with stuff in the road, we share with them, because Garnet still said, if your brother come to you and asks you for something, don't tell him tomorrow. Do it now while you can.
Right.
So we try to listen to the prophets and thing and, do the right thing.
Man, that's just, I couldn't have said it no better than that. Speaking of awareness, the Bob Marley Beach predicament has become a focal point of land rights discussions in Jamaica. How do you feel about what's happening at Bob Marley Beach? And do you believe reggae artists have a responsibility to raise awareness about issues just like this?
Yeah. So what you have to understand now, my brother, is that you see anything to do with Bob Marley the King, people want to go global with it, commercialize it, and things like that. So anywhere Bob Marley ever tried, people are go there. You know what I mean? Because people want to get the greatness and the great vibe from the great man. So, you know, by the time government always implement them method and thing like that. But we can't stop it. Only thing we love to know is that the people benefit from it. So everybody can live in a one perfect unity, togetherness, and everybody survive, you know. You know what I mean? Even if me say me no agree for them take the beach, if them are go take the beach, them are go take the beach, brother. Because you don't know say the government and them say them have everything. It's like the people don't have nothing. But for me, as a simple little man, me just want them know say if we not go take the beach from the people, everybody up there so who want to be a part of that thing that Bob Marley said, just make them be a benefit, just make them be a part of it, you know, and make everybody live. That's the most I can say about that.
I can feel you on that. That's a good answer to that. You know, if everybody doesn't benefit, what makes it public? You know, it does. It's private.
A tourism. Once a year, them talk about the beach. You know, say I take them one ticket to make it be a tourism spot. But as I said, we the local people is a part of the tourism too, because we cook food, we play the music, we at the party. So tourists don't just come to Jamaica to be in a resort. They're being in the resort knowing that, okay, security first. But by the end of the day, they want to be amongst the locals because we are the vibe. We, Bob Marley, a local man, you know, Bob Marley, a little local Rasta man, like I and myself. And look how much people love him. So look, everybody is great in Jamaica. Jamaica is a beautiful island. I love Jamaica. You know what I mean? But it not stop here, so. Because the world are wait upon Jamaica, you know. The world always have the eye upon Jamaica. The world are wait upon Jamaica. So anything Jamaica say, the world believe it. You know what I mean? So Jamaica is like a little eyeball where everybody looking at and looking for us. So one thing we want for the people in Jamaica is love amongst themselves. When we start love ourselves, it's going to bring with more respect. You know?
Definitely.
Me want the people them, yes. Me want the people them if can. Yeah, man, me just want the people them for all right, brother. Jamaica is great. A lot of potential in Jamaica. A lot of great youth. A lot of great artists. A lot of great athletes. A lot of great musicians. You know, what we need in Jamaica now is the youth them to be grounded again. Stop promoting yourself. Stop be what you can't be. You know what I mean? Because even the music industry today, they have a lot of my music get a lot of ignoring in Jamaica because me not sing certain music.
Yes.
You know what I mean? But my music still have space. I'm not sing about kill people. We're not killing nobody in the music, buddy. We're not killing the music. We're building the music.
Mm-hmm. That's real.
A lot of the music we are playing today is all about violence and, you know, sex, drink, liquor, and all of them kind of thing, which, you know, it's more hype.
Right.
The authenticness, it's kind of fading. And then what that does now, that make me realize that even the talent that I get exposed and the real talent. So the real talent I get stagnant because different vibes, people can bring themselves to the forefront because probably them have money. Probably them, you know what I mean? Everybody have them out and know how to get it. But some of the time the real people them not get through. Where could I make a big difference? Said speed. You know, and lift the music on the level where the world expect it. You know, that expectation there. Where the world have the Jamaican artists them and the works.
Right.
You know, yeah, it's like them forget say reggae is this thing where it free you.
Yeah.
And I hear that in my country to all of that. But give thanks to a virgin like you know. Give thanks to your platform, Southside Boss.
Yes, appreciate the love. Appreciate the love and the music. Phenomenal. That's why I definitely had to make sure we got you on here. We was jamming that all weekend at both the parties we had this weekend. So definitely got to say you props on that. Definitely got to send you props.
Yes.
All right. But before we end it, I do have one more question that I want to ask you. Now, as someone who stays true to the roots of reggae, How do you see the future of roots reggae evolving, especially in today's digital and fast-paced world?
All right, so reggae can't die. Reggae God music. Reggae music can't die. So there's always gonna be a space for reggae music. But it's like a lot of people are the reggae music now. And we have so many platforms and all of that where people can get exposed by doing simple stuff and then it just blow up and get big. So me still I say all the youths them have to do is remember what reggae music is and what reggae music means. So we can always be great and maintain the greatness by making good music that motivate and elevate. You know what I mean? Love, unity, because by the end of the day, that's what man need. Man need peace of mind, love, togetherness. You know, those things are the greatest thing, but everything else is temporary. Love should be permanent. Something that, you know, everybody know what it means. You know, but I don't know. The world is crazy, but I have to just know that I represent love and stand for love. So reggae music will always be something that people thirsty and waiting to hear good reggae music to revive themselves. So once you do the music, just keep doing it and do it good.
Definitely. You hit it right on the money. Reggae ain't going nowhere. It ain't dying. It ain't gonna move away. It's gonna be here to stay.
The music is the king music, man.
Exactly. If anybody know anything, they know that's the music Jesus was riding that donkey in on.
Reggae music are from creation, man.
Yes.
That is why because Bob Marley go back in a creation.
Yes.
That is why his music is still so relevant today and always sound fresh. Because the man do creation music. You know?
Definitely.
So even as an artist, brother, for me, be something different from what a lot of people trying to do today. Me have to use man like Bob Marley them and butcher them and some great man who still great today as an example. If I'm going to follow, I have to follow great people. You know what I mean? People who I can see their work and see what they have bring to this genre called reggae music.
Yes, definitely. Man, well, they already hear. I already heard your music. I suggest all my listeners go hear his music right now. Can you let them know where they can go hear your music at? What platforms you're on?
All right. So about a month ago, I had a song with a guy from America. It's called Humble Rastaman. That one is on YouTube. Humble Rastaman. You can check it out too. You can play it. And I send you a next one just now. You know, that one about to
there
now.
Is that a new release?
Yeah, it's not really, but you're gonna be the first to play it.
Already, we're going to be playing it right at the end of this interview, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that right there. A brand new release by Kleva Roots. What's the name of it?
This one is called Africa. It will be releasing. It will be releasing any minute now. The guy is working on the whole releasing part of it. Respect Africa to the world. Birthplace of civilization. You know, Africa all up the world, brother. Everybody depends on Africa. It doesn't matter who they are. Everybody.
Right. Yes, sir. You're right about that.
True. So that one is not yet released, but any minute now. So you will be the first.
Perfect.
To premiere. And then
I heard it first.
Once it releases, you keep telling the people where to go and get it. Yeah.
Oh yes.
Also, Rastaman. A month ago, by me and a guy from America. His name is Zion. You can check out that too. And I have some other music up there as well as, you know, so you can go on my YouTube channel, Kleva Roots Music, and check out some of the works and more works to come. you know?
Yes, definitely. And we're gonna have the links in the YouTube and the podcast description. So all you got to do is hit the links. When you click link, hit that like, follow, subscribe button, and hit that notification button. That way, whenever he releases Africa, you will be the first ones to get y'all, be able to stream it on YouTube and all the streaming services that you listening to. Make sure you do that right at the end of this interview. Heard me already. Any new projects that you want to put us on our toes about? Let us know that we gonna be working 2025. Gonna be busy for you.
Well, brother, I always are working. Right now, I'm sitting in my studio. I have project still working on. You know, me always working. There's always a song working on. You know what I mean? Always. That's just how it is. You know, I have a song.
And we'll talk a little bit more about that as soon as we come back from a word from one of our sponsors.
Been through the struggle, but yet I'm not sure it. And to the most time, I ain't with you.
Give thanks to life.
Keep it real, not fake.
It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. Jah, you are my blessed Savior, the only help I know. It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way. Come on, my people. Jah, you are my blessed Savior, lead me everywhere I go. No time at all, me not go drop my God. Can't trust no one, me only trust my God. If them grant you a favor, them seeking a reward.
Them say nothing you favor.
And a round of applause.
No we God for
The people, that's why
like a God. No unification.
vacation, that's why things so hard.
Them say dance.
Zion before you dance abroad. That's why Kleva Roots are put a 1 year on record. It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. Jah, you are my blessed Savior, the only help I know. It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. Jah, you are my blessed Savior, lead me everywhere I go. Jah, keep I up front, him never leave by behind. Years are yours, and mine's are mine. To fight against a brother, that's a waste of time.
Love your honest.
But you will better in time.
Don't want the evil man.
With the money back and to mine.
Just go and try the dirty.
Take it one day at a time. And one thing for sure, nothing happen before it's time. It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. Jah, you are my blessed Savior, the only help I know. It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. Jah, you are my blessed Savior, lead me everywhere I go. Mankind I know nothing, no we are know nothing. Just come a little closer, let me tell you something.
Life is just a living.
Know what you're doing
Always give and share.
and make sure you're giving.
Have the room.
With bad vibes and dirty living. If I hurt my brother, yes, I ready to forgive
We
him.
don't know that fight in our war.
But you will be winning.
Redemption song.
Kleva Roots will be singing. It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. Jah, you are my blessed Savior, the only help I know. It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. Jah, you are my blessed Savior, lead me everywhere I go. Lead me, oh Jah Jah, never leave my Jah. No.
Just try.
With me, Jah Jah.
That
Everywhere I
is
go,
hot.
everywhere I go.
That's fire.
Yeah, man.
That's fire. You gotta keep us in the loop about that one there. What's the name of this one?
It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go back.
Oh man, y'all got a sneak peek first right here. Long road to travel. We already, I'm telling you, this is a hit off rip. I'm waiting on it. As soon as it drop, Boss Radio is gonna be all over that right there.
Listen, man, you just be a gateway, man. Just introduce me to your listeners, bro, and the people to come. See? And let's have a nice time, man. And then anybody want to link up Kleva Roots, man, feel free, man. Tell the people about it. Let me get going, bro. No time to waste.
Oh, yes. Y'all going to be getting that clip. Soon as Facebook let me drop this, I'm going to be dropping it. Man, looky here. Yeah, we are going to be on our pins and needles waiting on that record right there to drop. We definitely going to be all over that one. So... all right. Is there any producers, any other artists, any family members that you want to give shout outs to or anything like that?
Perfect timing. So that rhythm is built by my cousin. His name is Rastafari, you know. I will have you talk to him one of these days as well. Great artist, musician. He built that rhythm, you know, and he's on it too. He's a great guy, you know, with family. So it's only right to big him up and thing, you know. So as I said, the music is a unification thing. You know what I mean? So we just a trad and I do what is right.
Ready.
Let me big up your family. Yeah, man. Let me big up Juicy, the bredren made it.
Okay.
For making the connection and thing, you know, and all the people, all the well wishers, you know, who know that Kleva Roots music will be known worldwide one day. Keep wishing for the best, and I will make sure I keep doing good music for the item to make sure I play my part. And a virgin like you, give thanks. Yeah, you already played your role, and keep playing it, man. I will always send you music, and you'll be letting the people know what's going on. So you're the messenger. I will give the message to the messenger. For you to deliver it.
Dang, I love it.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Alrighty, everybody, that is Kleva Roots. Click the links down there as soon as you get through listening to Africa, and we are going to rock. We're going to be on Pins and Needles waiting on A Long Road to Travel. We waiting on that one. So we're going to be hitting that notification button. Go find him on all social media. You're on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, correct?
Yes.
Already, YouTube. You already know. We got the links in the description. Click them links. Hit that follow, like, subscribe. Hit that share button because your mommy, your daddy, your sister, your auntie, your brother, your uncle, your grandmama, your granddaddy, all of them need to get this. And they need to tune in. Let's change our mentalities, y'all, and then start with our music. You heard me? Kleva Roots, wonderful music, wonderful personality, wonderful interview. We are so thankful for you to join us this afternoon.
Bro, give thanks. It were meant to be.
Exactly. Alrighty. All right, everybody, y'all tune in, turn up, and zone out. Here's Africa. You heard me by Kleva Roots.
Blessed morning, blessed, a Kleva Roots chanting, yeah. I want to be like a tree that planted by the rivers of water that brings forth fruit in due season. Africa, I want to come home. Life in a Jamaica, it's tough like stone. Africa, I want to come home. Land of my ancestors, no more will I roam. Me no see no youth a emulate no profit again. Tell me what I want. What happened to them? I be a rude boy businessman, a man and no friend. Me hear say Babylon a plan for shoot and hang. My people, where is your love? Make we rise above them. Put your one and one together, make it reach up at 10. Give a better future to the children. Africa, I want to come home. Life in a Jamaica, it's tough like stone, yeah. Africa, I want to come home. Right now, land of my ancestors, no more will I roam, yeah. Over 500 years in a Babylon, me no see no changes, no new preparation. Them fighting so hard to kill the black nation. Every disease we make a with them come try pan. Them control with food that them we have to buy from. Down to Africa me gone, me not fi buy land. Me want fi take a plane and land in Africa. You take me on the ship, no ask me about no visa. Africa, I want to come home. Right now, life in a Jamaica, it's tough like stone. It's tough like stone, yeah. Africa, I want to come home. Yeah, yeah. Land of my ancestors, no more will I roam, yeah. No more will I roam. No more will I roam, yeah. No more will I roam. No more will I roam, yeah. No more will I roam. No more will I roam, yeah. You see when I make a step in Africa, Rasta, I want to just sing some music for the people them. Yeah, that the people them make me and the people them talk. You see, in whatever way I and I can make an impact for the betterment of these people, I am John. I gotta do it. Sing, Ja, Ja, Ja.